What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working on the driver's side rockers, cab corners. The first thing I'm going to end up having to do is knock out all of this fiberglass that somebody decided to do. So we're going to get started there and work our way up to getting the cab corners taken out, and we're going to be taking the rockers out and stuff. So here we go. So anyways, we just kind of just use a screwdriver or whatever to get behind here and knock this stuff off. And I mean, they didn't even do a good job of it. I mean, if they'd have done a good job, it might not have been such a bad thing, but... Oh! They even used paper towel! Look at that! That's nice. And whatever. They just stuffed it full of crap. Of course. That, I would dare to say, is probably, it could possibly have been some old guy that done this, because that is some old-fashioned stuff there, something that old people would have done. But then again, could have just been any backyard hack. That is definitely a backyard hack. I know what I do isn't completely professional, but I at least try. Well, that's fantastic. Yeah, I'll probably go ahead and replace all this, even though it is pretty solid up in this area. I'll probably go ahead and replace that in there too. So, anyway, I have to knock all that out. So, anyway, I'll get to cutting this out and stuff, and then we'll move on to the next thing. And there's the big pile of crap that came out of there. Whenever I find stuff that people has done that's like that cab corner, man, it just makes me feel so much better about myself and the way I do things. Okay, as you can see, this is going to be a full replacement here. Also, I'm going to need a little patch piece in there too for the back. Okay, so I got everything all cut out and stuff. I'm still not positive what I'm going to do with this because this is actually more of a mess than I thought it was. So I'll figure that out. I'm running low on wire, so I did just go ahead and tack the rocker in. I did get my little patch piece for here. I'm going to get that welded in. Anyways, guys and gals, I sure appreciate you guys watching. I know it was kind of a short video, but there will be more stuff coming with the 89 Chevy short bed, and you know, I still got work to do on the bed, so I still got the cab corner to finish up. And so anyways, that'll be coming along. I sure appreciate you guys watching. Feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notifications if you wish, and have a spectacular day or night, whichever one it is for you. Peace out.